Here are the 5 reasons why people unfollow you on Instagram. 1. Posting too much. It's generally recommended to post at least 1 per day, and no more than 3 times per day, on Instagram. 2. Lack of engagement. Low quality posting. Another reason you might not be getting as much engagement on your post is that the quality of these posts might not be as good as others. 3. Inconsistent posting. When you post consistently, the algorithms will favor your post and more people will see them. You will increase engagement if you post about the same topics on certain days of the week. Your audience will expect and look forward to your content. 4. Poor quality content. Quality content helps to attract the right audience to your website, engage them, and work towards getting the users to take action on your websites. 5. Content has changed. Make sure the content you are putting out there is relevant, eye-catching, and engaging, and be sure you are posting at the right time so you are reaching the right audience. If this video is helpful, then please subscribe us for latest upcoming videos.